That's awesome, man. I go into places now, like I do graduations, and I go into educational hui, I go to the Ministry of Ed, I go into Parliament, all those sorts of things. And all of a sudden, when you've got a doctorate, the door's open. And then you walk in with your red robes on for graduation. Ooh, who the heck's this fella? But that's awesome too, no? And our tamariki and mokopuna is sitting in the audience. They go, oh, why is Koro wearing a red robe for? Why isn't he wearing a black one? Why is he wearing that funny hat? And they come and say, oh, because he's a doctor, he's got a PhD. You can do this too, boy. Or, there you go, you can follow this too. And it changes their thinking so that where they were limited before, they can start to expand out and go, well, if Koro can do it, I can do better than him. And then our job then is to encourage them to do it. Get behind them, yeah, you can do it. Here's how you can do it. The one message I have got for all of our kids that are starting out, don't let somebody else limit you. Your limitations are only in your own mind. You can do this. Don't give up.